In this tutorial, we are going to modify a Canvas quiz with differentiated release conditions. There's two ways to get to quizzes. We can go to the navigation panel and select quizzes, or we can select a quiz in a particular week on our assignments page. For this demonstration, we're going to go ahead and select quiz 2. We're going to choose edit. And as you see, a due date and points have been added. But let's go ahead and select more options to go in and make modifications to our quiz settings. So what we're going to do is we're going to go down to the assignments area. And as you see here, the due date has already been generated. The date it's available until the date it can be removed for the system. So what we're going to do, as we see these options have already been established, we're going to go ahead and click the plus add sign to add another section. And for this, you can choose the student or course you want to assign the element to. For this demonstration, we're going to go ahead and use myself. And then for the due date, we're going to give it an extra week for the deadline. So what we're going to do is do that. Availability will be starting today until, I'm going to give it the 14th of May. Then you would scroll to the bottom and hit save. And on the summary screen, you will see the due dates for the class as well as for the student you made the exception for.